guys. So we're going to do a quick review of multiplication of multi-digit numbers with decimals. And I'm going to go through a couple quick things. First of all, the process for how to do this, and then also how to use tap dots if you don't have your facts memorized. So some of you should have worked through this, but I know it's been a while since we've seen this. So we're just going to start solving. So our first one, remember, we start in the far right-hand place, in this case with decimals. Remember, we ignore the decimals until we get to the very end. So my first problem is 6 times 4. If I don't have my sixes memorized, I'm going to go ahead and set up my tap dots on the side over here. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Remember, if they're circled, you tap the dot twice. So 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So now I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So 6 times 4 is 24. And I do it like this, 24. So now I've done this one. Now I do 6 times 3. And I have that. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. So I just keep filling them in like this. And so I've done this one, I've done this one, and now remember we fan it all the way out. So I need 6 times 6. Well, I only have 4, so I keep going. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And if you keep these written, you can save yourself so much time and effort, and it's all in one place. So now 6 times 6 is 36, plus 2 is 38. And now I'm done with the 6. So I'm going to kind of erase these lines. And to show that I'm done with it, I'm going to get rid of all of this fun stuff. I put a placeholder 0 because the 10th place is done. And now I'm moving to the next place over. So my first one is 2 times 4. And I don't know, I don't need these anymore. But I can do 2s in my head or my fingers. 2 times 4, that means I need 2 4 times. So 2, 4, 6, 8, right? Then I need 2 times 3, which is 6. And then 2 times 6, which is 12. Notice I write the whole thing right here because there's nowhere else to put it. So now that I have all of my numbers calculated, I'm going to add them together. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, if I had about 63 times 2, that's not going to be 16,484, right? So we cannot forget to do our decimals. And we talked about 2 ways to do this. And we can either count how many digits are to the right of the decimal, and that would be this one and this one. So 2 are behind the decimal. That means I need 2 behind the decimal in my answer. And that would be these 2, right? So there's 1, 2, 1, 2, place my decimal. The other way you can do it is using estimation. Round to the nearest whole number. This rounds to 63. And this rounds to 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 6 times 3 is 18. It should be close to 189. And it is, because if I put this decimal, if I put it here, it's 16.4. If I put it here, it's 1,648. So it changes my whole number depending on where my decimal goes. It should be close to 189, and it is. So just a quick refresher about what multi-digit multiplication with decimals looks like. So good luck with this and have fun with your learning today. And I'll see you guys next time.